Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Truke Fit 1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like, and it also features a very minimalist design. I'm talking about the packaging. You only see the product, the brand name, as well as the model name. On the right side of the packaging, you just have a little slogan which reads "Power of True Beats." On the left side, you have some of the features being highlighted. The first being that it offers up to 30 hours of music playback. Second being that it uses a low latency protocol for connection. Third being that the drivers, that is the dynamic drivers in each of the earbuds, are 10 millimeters wide. And lastly, it's compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android. On the top, you have some BIS certification marks. On the bottom, you have the manufacturer's contact information as well as contents. And on the back side, you've got a few additional features along with the specifications. Now, playback time for one charge happens to be about 10 hours. And you can put it back into the case to charge it 2 times more. So it's overall 3 times the charge. This thing has deep bass, you've got touch controls, and there is a digital display to indicate the battery level. The Fit 1 Plus uses Bluetooth version 5.1. It takes about 90 minutes to charge the device, and that will give you about 8 to 10 hours of playback. The headphone battery that is within each earbud happens to be about 50 milliamp hours, and the case has about 300 milliamp hours worth of capacity. You can connect to these devices from a distance of up to 10 meters. The standby duration is 72 hours and call duration is about 8 to 10 hours. Charging interface is micro USB and the overall thing weighs about 41 grams. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. So you got several things inside the packaging. First, there's a little appeal card asking you to review the product in case you do like it. On the back side happens to be the warranty card, so you should fill this out to claim warranty should there ever be a reason for you to claim it. Then you've got additional ear tips. These are usually in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds, as you can see over here. Then there's the charging cable. This thing's about 15 to 20 centimeters long, and it uses a micro USB interface on one side and a USB Type-A interface on the other. Then you've got the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device, and if at all there are any unique features that you should be aware of. And lastly, you've got the charging case for the Truke Fit 1 Plus. It opens up. You've got a little button in the center, pressing which starts up the digital indicator for showing you how much capacity the case has. Right now it's saying 99%. And once you insert the earbuds inside, you can see a little red LED indicating that it has begun charging. So that's it for the unboxing of the Truke Fit 1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.